news is we're not free, we're cheap. Bought off with dreams of a Beamer or a Jeep. At the head table begging for scraps, praying that they'll lapse and give you half a chance. And that's begging your master to set you free, as if benevolent tyranny would make poverty history. Let's ask the superstar singers, thank God we got them to save us, or we'd really be fucked. GNP goes up, so how come I don't get richer? I don't understand economics, so what can you say? Most of us got nothing for a rainy day. Your pension is not safe at the stock market. I want my contributions back, but they spent it. Don't understand economics, but I understand this. The free market is free to those who can afford it, and very expensive to those that can't. Very, very, very expensive. So, if you wanna come and take a ride with me, I really hope you got the money for a taxi. Oh, why do I live this way? Hey, that'll be the lack of money. Never drank Crystal or been to China Whites, but I might cane a cheap bottle of vodka on a Friday night. If anyone would like to join me, see you on College Green. That's in the hilly city in the divided kingdom. A system of feudalism means we live in serfdom. Kings got closed circuit vision to survey the fiefdom. Medieval economics for surveillance is modern, land hasn't been common since the Enclosures Act of 1750, the basis for a privileged economy based on the sanctity of private property. Here's good news for the many that don't hear the knock of opportunity. We can't eat money, so it will end the ignorant arrogance of the North Atlantic. Fashionable antics left in our wake, and if cod stocks are low, let them eat hake. Always goes over well in the seaside town. Yeah, you tell jokes about our growing industries. Mr. Economist, don't preach to me. I got personal debt right up to the teeth for all the things I had to buy, like education and beliefs and aspirational magazines. Now I'm counting down the days till it's paid or I die. Let's see what comes first. There's nobody in the sky to pay for the hearse. We're not free, we're cheap. Bought off with a sedative to put us to sleep. Why not just put on a grass skirt and have done with it? If you're a native, you want money, then dance for it. Notwithstanding the standard neoliberal rhetoric, the only thing that trickles down this far is bullshit. Nations go clap in hand to the World Bank, like me at my local branch, annoying the staff, giving it, mate, you're having a laugh, I'll pay you back, I just need one more extension on my overdraft. We wear debt round our necks like a millstone. The debt of forefathers paid by daughters and sons who dream of breaking with tradition, being the first sane generation to make a free space for living. These fantasies are beautiful, that's why we cling to them. Money can buy license, but it won't buy freedom, do you believe them? Millionaire rappers who came just to prove you can be rich and still be a slave. Cause who pays the piper calls the tune. Who pays the piper calls the tune. There's a lot of mental slaves in recording rooms, cause who pays the piper calls the tune. And I hate work. So everyone thinks I'm lazy, but I'm thoughtful and patient. I think constantly, so time's never wasted. In case you didn't know that I'm not rich, but I've never known real hardship. Never had much money, but I'm one of the lucky ones in the natal lottery. Born unburdened by sour defeat. Change doesn't trickle down to us, it rises up like dust, so stamp your feet. Change doesn't trickle down to us, it rises up like dust, so stamp your feet. Change doesn't trickle down to us, it rises up like dust, so stamp your feet. Change doesn't trickle down to us, it rises up like dust, so stamp your feet. Change doesn't trickle down to us, it rises up like dust, so everybody must stamp their feet, yo. In time, please, yo. Don't let money change you. Dee da da dee da, da dee da da dee da, da dee da da dee da. Don't let money change you. Dee da da dee da, da dee da da dee da, da dee da da dee da. Don't let lack of money change you. Dee da da dee da, da dee da da dee da. Don't let money change you. Don't let money change you. Don't let money change you. Graham. Thanks to Donny B. Put this together to Thanks to Matt on the soundboard. He's been sat down on the outside and using it as something more than a point and he's done it very graciously indeed. So thanks. And thanks to our filming crew. Who I've also used as a bit of a comic prop. So if you'd like to buy CDs, you can't. And I know. I just have to support my own drink habit. Shame, isn't it? So I'm going to play one more song and then get on with my drink habit. Thank you very much for being here and thank you very much for listening. I'm Clayton Blizzard and this song is called Just Be Born. It's about the universe.
That dream. We fear change and we fear more of the same. Whoa, isn't it strange? Cynics think pictures of Earth taken from space are beautiful. Because you can't see the people. Just you on the grid. Right? Like the
entire restaurant. There was a table of 4. Right, yeah, okay. When 75% of your audience is studiously ignoring you, you know you're doing something right. Because they had to work they were actively ignorant, if that's not an oxymoron. They had to try hard to not see you. But you know how couples, after they've been together a long time, they can, I suppose friends who know each other and family, people who know each other a long time, know each other very well, can communicate with just a look. And they did it. It was 2 couples, right? And there was the 2 women were sat on this side, the 2 men were sat on this side, and there were obviously 2 couples. And the woman on the far end of the table, she kind of looked at me like, I think the word is askance. She looked at me askance, and then she looked at her man opposite me just went. And that was it. That's all it took. And then he was looking at me. He was the one who saw me first. He saw me come out the door straight away. And she made him look away. So that's how I was singing, yeah. I didn't go in, I just stood at the window. I just pressed my nose up to the window and tried to smell that food. It was brilliant until then. Now it's weird. It's weird. It's weird. Alright, so I suppose I could sing you one more song. Because it wouldn't be lovely. Self-referential rubbish, isn't it? Did I have, said the fine old woman, what did I have? This proud woman did say, I had 4 green fields, each one was a jewel, but strangers came and tried to take them from me. I had 5 strong sons, they fought to save my jewels. They fought and died, and that was my grief, said she. Long time ago, said the fine old woman. Long time ago, this proud woman did say, there was war and death, plundering and pillage, my children starved by mountain, valley and sea. Their wailing cries shook the very heavens, and my 4 green fields ran red with their blood, said she. What have I now, said the fine old woman. What have I now, this proud woman did say, I have 4 green fields, one of them's in bondage, in strangers' hands, who tried to take it from me. But my sons have